Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of Tech TV. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to change your email address on Spotify. Watch the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you've not yet. Also press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. In order to change your email address for your Spotify account, tap open your Spotify application. Make sure that you're logged into your account. Once you are, tap on the gear icon located at the upper right hand corner from the home page. Click on View Profile button at the very top under the Settings menu. Now, select Edit Profile button under your name. Now, from the Settings menu, select Accounts tab. Right where it says Email, you'll be able to see your email address that is associated with your Spotify account currently. If you want to change that, tap the Edit button right next to it. Enter your new email address into the first text box appearing on the display. Soon after you do that, you'll need to confirm your password by typing your current password for your Spotify account on the next field. Finally, tap on the Save button in the upper right hand corner of the screen and you'll be able to change your email address for Spotify. That is how it is done. I hope you found the video to be helpful. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll be back soon with more tutorial videos like this. Thank you for watching.